So we are here again at the beautiful Ko Olina Beach Club property here in Oahu. And we haven't even checked in because the place is just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that view, y'all. So Trey's there and Shira's filming and we're having a good time. And I just want y'all to see. You have to come. This is paradise. Wow. I gotta go catch up with my family. It's spring break and it's beautiful out. Absolutely gorgeous. Also, subscribe to the, if you'll do me a favor and subscribe to the Shira YouTube channel. Check out all the other featured vacation videos that are posted. We give you all the tips, suggestions, things to do, all the fun activities, and all of the pitfalls to avoid when you are traveling. There are a lot, you know, being overcharged for certain things. We'll show you how to meet with the concierge and get discounts on various experiences that you want to enjoy. Hey, family. What up, Trey? Beautiful. So this is one of the pool areas. And pool. So when we were here in the summer, we were all the way up there, 15th floor. So can't wait to check in, get our room, get out here and play in this water. Order me a couple of Mai Tais, and I'm just gonna sit. For the next couple of days, I'm not doing a thing. No luau's, no nothing. I'm just gonna sit here at the resort and hang out at this beach. Enjoy this property. So pretty. Dream big. Because the dreams of the dreamer do come